This video tutorial I will explain what is motherboard. A motherboard is a main circuit board inside the computer. It connects all the important parts of the computer like the CPU, RAM, storage and other components. It allows them to communicate and work together. What are the main functions of a motherboard? First point is holds the CPU. The CPU is the brain of the computer and the motherboard provides a socket for it. Second point is connects memory or RAM. RAM is the temporary storage that helps the computer work faster. Third point is supports storage devices. It connects hard drives or SSDs where all data and files are stored. Fourth point is provides expansion slots, allows adding graphic cards, sound cards or other upgrades. Fifth point is has input or output ports, includes USB ports, audio jacks, network ports and HDMI or VGA ports to connect devices like keyboard, mouse, speakers and monitor. Sixth point is controls power distribution. It manages electricity flow to different parts of the computer. What are the different types of motherboards? First one is desktop motherboards used in personal computers. Second one is laptop motherboards, smaller and designed specifically for laptops. Third one is server motherboards, powerful motherboards used in big computer systems or servers. Why motherboard is important? The motherboard is like a backbone of the computer. Without it, no other parts can work because they all need a way to communicate with each other. A good motherboard means a more powerful and upgradable computer. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on like button and please subscribe to my channel. You can get Java source code and PowerPoint presentation for each and every video. That you can see it in the description section of the video. Click on show more and here you can see the description and here you can see the links to download source code and PowerPoint presentation.